So I ordered these fog light covers from Aliexpress and they were £30, and these are the competition style. So you get like the honeycomb RS4 style, and then you can get like the RS4 style competition. So I've got these which are upgraded now. I did do a previous video putting the honeycomb ones on, and they're already a much improved upgrade from the originals, but for such a cheap £30, like what's that, $40 upgrade, it makes it look so much nicer. And I really like these. I love this line here, and then you keep the honeycomb, so removing the old ones was extremely easy because you can put your fingers through them. And then there's a side by side, and then the competition ones just slide back in, and they just kind of push into place once you get them lined up. And that, it adds to it. It's still honeycomb, but then you've got that competition line, which looks really nice, I think. And then again, super easy to remove these honeycomb ones. The stock one took some pulling, I remember. So if you're doing this for the first time, you need like a pry tool, a plastic pry tool. Don't use a screwdriver because you'll damage the paint, and then they just pop in and pop out. Super easy. So I think this is an upgrade. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really like them. I am going to be changing the grill again. This is an S4 grill, and I'm going to go back to an RS4 grill. My old one was damaged, so I got this temporarily. So there's a close-up. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.